Let's learn conversion of whole numbers in base 6 to base 10. And here is an example. Convert 105 base 6 to base 10. Solution. We write our number given 105 base 6. The first step is to number the digits starting from the last digits with 0. That is, you have 0, 1, 2. Then we simplify further. This becomes equal to the first digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 6, raised to the power of the numbering we have on top of the digits, 2, plus, we do the same process for the next digit, and the next digit here is 0. So you have 0 multiplied by the base, 6, raised to the power of 1, we have a 1, plus the next digit, 5, multiplied by the base, 6, raised to the power of 0, the numbering we have, 0, equals 1 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 2. Let's do that at this side. 6 raised to the power of 2. That means 6 multiplied by 6 in just two places. That is 6 times 6, 1, 2. And 6 times 6 gives us 36. And that means 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36 plus 0 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 1 is just 6 plus 5 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 0, 1. Why? Because anything raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. Let's multiply. 1 multiplied by 36, you have 36, plus 0 multiplied by 6, 0, plus 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Then we had 36 plus 0, 36, plus 5, 41. And that gives us our answer in base 10. That is 105 base 6 is simply as saying 41 in base 10. Thank you.